What's up, y'all? Since February, we finally have Volcano Bay Vlog 3. Isn't that crazy? And we are back. We are gonna be staying in Sapphire this time. Yeah, well, and we're definitely gonna try to get some GoPro scenes. We didn't get to do that last time. Yeah, it's definitely have to. Wait, this is really nice. And there's the volcano. Yeah, there's the volcano. We didn't get to this last time. Oh yeah, we'll have Disney Springs vlog 2 by tomorrow. So yeah, we'll have Disney Springs soon today. We'll have Disney Springs vlog 2 out by tomorrow. Oh, we have so
nowhere to go.
That's the big volcano. Nice trees. It is a very nice area. I can't lie. And this thing is the beach. Alright, y'all. We're gonna try to find a spot so we see you all in the next scene. Guys, we're back. We just left our spot. Sorry we didn't get any GoPro scenes because we're not allowed to use them on the slide. And yeah, I don't know. I don't have that much subscribers yet. That's why. Sorry we didn't get to do that, guys. Yeah, I know it's kind of stupid. I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, we'll go to the pool. I'll just show you around Volcano Bay. This is just the walkway. And then, yeah, this is still counting as Volcano Bay Vlog 3. And we're still having Volcano Bay vlogs, even though, we can't do GoPro videos. I don't care. We'll still do it. I'm also playing just the hard effects. Yeah, that's the slide I tried to bring it on, but they just wouldn't let me. I'm sorry, guys. But I just want to get to 200 subscribers. I'm just greedy. I'm trying not to brag about it, because it's still on me. I'm sorry. And here's that's the fast river. That's pretty cool. This is just plants. Dude, this is really nice. Yeah, that's the slide we were on earlier. I'm bringing the GoPro now, but I guess that doesn't work. That doesn't legally work. Yeah. Sorry, we just got a few scenes. I'm just doing this to make this scene longer. And that's the typically little part. Yeah. I start and then guys, let me know in the comments. Or should I just upload the effects on it? And there's the fast river. Everything. And then there's the Rainton Village. Alright. We go this way right here. And then here's the other lazy river. Oh yeah, this is the same one. We were on there earlier. And then that's an I-4 ramp. That's ramp to that's a lamppost on I-4 up into the ramp. So this is the back part of Volcano Bay. We never filmed here. And here's it's like food, but we're gonna have lunch at the hotel. And that's the slide. Guys, I hate drop slides. I swear, I hate drop slides. Dude, they're the worst. I don't know if they're ever gonna drop me or not. And here we are. And then palm trees. And then these are the plants. These are just random plants. And on a snack bar. The Ono slide, we have to ride on that. Yeah. At one point we got to film this side. Yeah, I'm not comfortable on doing the phone case thing anymore because after what happened on our cruise, you know. Yeah, that's why you didn't get day 2 and that's filming. That's why you didn't get day 2 and day 4 and day 5 for the newer fans of the cruise. And then yeah, that drop slide. Yeah, we done that and that was scary. That was like the first ride we did. Like on the first Volcano Bay vlog, which was 2 years ago. It was 2 years ago. Crazy. And this is the I don't know. Yeah, this is where you require swimming. And then that's Volcano Bay. We stayed there in September. We stayed there September of 2023. I would say September. September of this year didn't really pass yet. Yeah, but we stayed there last year, September. Yeah. And yeah, that's the wave pool. It's just like all this part of Volcano Bay. Yeah. And then yeah, these. And that's the cabinet. You can rent one if you want. I think they're expensive. Yeah, we're not that rich, guys. We're not that rich to have those cabins. Yeah, dude, these are nice palm trees. Yeah, seriously, I love palm trees, guys. These nice weather. Better than Illinois, actually. Gosh, you can't see that.
Was that August? Like we went, but it was like
oh
so
yeah,
hot.
that was the non-coming vlog, guys, because we didn't bring the phone cases. Yeah, we didn't bring the phone cases. And I also didn't get that part out because it was too much storage for me to upload the video. So that's what Volcano Bay 2 didn't come out until February. I know it was crazy. Hey, I know you were expecting Volcano Bay vlog 2 to come out in 2023, but nah, it came out 2024. So, oh yeah. There you go. Now you have Volcano Bay vlog 2, and then now this is Volcano Bay vlog 3. Yeah, that's the water thing. Alright, I think we're getting to the front here. So yeah, I think we'll see you all when we get to the hotel. So this is the lobby, although you already saw it in other videos from when we were staying in Aventura. And yeah, that's the new Dutch. And then, like, this is basically like the... Yeah, we passed through here a few times. Yeah. So this is like the other side of the lobby. You already know most of it. And this is the spiral stair I was talking about. Yeah, I saw something was jump up something like this. Yeah, we passed through all of this. Like we went all the way down to the boat. Yeah, this is where people go. Yeah, this is where people go. And yeah. Yeah, we're gonna head to the pool. We're gonna eat something. It's like 12:11 Eastern time. Here's the pool. Yeah, here we are. And then that's the arcade. Yeah, the arcade. we never get to experience the arcade. And that's the gym. Yeah, we have that back in our place. That gym. Alright, yo. We're gonna have to open this here, so we'll hold you back. Alright, so this is the pool. Yeah, and this is like a pool area. It's bigger than the other pools. Volcano Bay and the summer. It's bigger than the last Universal hotels we stayed at. Yeah. And even has a slide. Yeah, but this will not be part of the going down the slide series. Yeah, I'm trying to find more original places to go down the slide. Like my friend, the Quiet Kid. You probably remember him from the collab we did last year in May. Yeah, he does a natural playground. I just do water parks and everything. I think playgrounds would be the more swinging I can do. That's kind of basically it. Alright, so we're gonna take another spot. We'll see you all in the next scene. Alright, yo, I'm going down the slide. This is not quick. Oh! It's pumping. We're gonna do it. Good water. So here we go. This is our hotel. Yeah, this is the pool. Our hotel. Well, let's go down a little bit, but go. Alright. We got some footage. I tried starting a video earlier, but I couldn't. Dude, my feet are hot. Room's already ready. We'll give you a room tour. Yeah, that's our hotel. So, yeah, this is basically it. Yeah, this is the only GoPro in this video. So, yeah, I'll see you all when we get to the room. So, yeah, see ya. Alright, y'all. So we made the room. Yeah, let's start off the scene. Yeah, we can't really show it, but you know it's there. And this is just a bed and everything. And the TV's been used. And this is our view. Uh-oh. I've been
Pew pew. I have 2 guns. Pew pew. Assault.
Yeah, but this is just our view, so yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy, give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, stay tuned for more.
No, give us a small thumbs down.
Shut up, Liv. Don't listen to her, guys. See ya.